12 brilliant uses for borax around the house and garden. Borax, or sodium borate, is a naturally occurring mineral composed of sodium, boron, oxygen, and water, commonly used in cleaning products, manufacturing, and even in cosmetics. Known for its natural deodorizing properties, detergent-boosting capabilities, and stain-removing powers, this white powdery substance simplifies your washing routine by just adding half a cup to your load. It helps to break down stains more efficiently and combats odor, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and looking impeccably clean. But let me tell you, borax is much more than just a laundry aid. This age-old gem can clean just about anything in your house. Here's the scoop on all the ways you can use it. Number 1. Clean and deodorize carpets. For a simple refresh, combine half a cup of borax with half a cup of baking soda and sprinkle the mixture lightly over your carpet. Allow it to sit for 10 to 20 minutes to absorb odors and trap dirt. Then vacuum it up. For a deeper clean, dissolve half a cup of borax in a gallon of water and use the solution in a steam cleaner. It'll revive your carpets, restoring their vibrant look and fresh smell. Number 2. Boost your dishwashing detergent. Enhance your dishwasher's effectiveness by sprinkling a little borax on the bottom before you load your dishes. It helps break down food particles and grease, making your detergent work more effectively. Additionally, borax naturally softens the water, which can significantly reduce spots and film on your glasses and dishes. This boost is most noticeable in cities or towns with hard water, where minerals can impede the cleaning power of standard detergents. Number 3. Clean toilet bowls. Skip the harsh chemicals and use borax as a natural toilet cleaning agent. Before heading to bed, pour 1 cup of borax into the toilet bowl and let it sit overnight. While you sleep, it works to break down stains and mineral deposits. In the morning, a quick brush is all it takes to scrub any lingering grime away. Your toilet will be sparkling clean. This method is not only easy, but also safe for both septic systems and the environment. Number 4. Unclog drains. You can use borax to maintain free-flowing drains as well. Pour half a cup down the troubled drain, followed by 2 cups of hot water. Let the mixture work for 15 minutes before flushing with more hot water. This process helps dissolve clogs and flush out accumulation without the harshness of chemical drain cleaners. It's excellent for preserving your pipes and maintaining a healthier home environment. Number 5. Clean your bathroom with it. Aside from toilet bowls, borax is fantastic for cleaning bathroom surfaces. Use it on tiles, counters, shower doors, and even fiberglass without fear of scratches. Sprinkle some on a damp sponge or cloth, scrub the surfaces, and rinse thoroughly. It's effective against soap scum, water stains, and bathroom grime, leaving your bathroom surfaces shiny and hygienic with minimal effort. Number 6. Scrub your cookware with it. Borax makes for an excellent cleaner for cookware too, specifically items made from porcelain and aluminum. Just sprinkle a bit onto your pots and pans, scrub with a damp cloth, and rinse thoroughly. You'll find that it cuts through grease and burnt-on food with ease, restoring the shine without any scratching. It's an ideal solution for those who value their cookware and want to maintain it properly without using abrasive chemicals. Number 7. Clean combs and brushes. You can keep your combs and brushes pristine by soaking them in a borax solution. Mix about half a tablespoon of borax with warm water in a cup. Drop your combs and brushes in and let them soak for about 30 minutes. Rinse them off and you'll find them clean, free of any residue, and ready for use. Number 8. Disinfect mattresses. Borax is great for cleaning and deodorizing mattresses and is especially useful for removing stains and odors resulting from spills or accidents. Dampen the affected area, sprinkle some borax, scrub with a brush, then let it dry. This simple method helps keep your mattress fresh and clean, extending its life and comfort. Number 9. Clean and deodorize garbage cans. You know how garbage cans tend to get overlooked until they start smelling? Well, with Borax, you can keep them fresh and clean. First, wash them out with a solution of borax and water to eliminate any lingering odors and bacteria. Once dry, sprinkle a small amount of this amazing stuff in the bottom of the can before replacing the back. This will help absorb moisture and keep odors at bay, making your trash area cleaner and more pleasant to deal with. Number 10. Remove rust. Mix borax with lemon juice and warm water to create a paste that effectively removes rust from metal objects. Apply it to rusted tools, garden equipment, or even bikes. Scrub with a brush or cloth, then rinse off. This eco-friendly rust remover saves your metal items from corrosion and keeps them in good working condition. Number 11. Use as fertilizer. Give your garden a boost by mixing a small amount of borax into the soil. As I mentioned earlier, borax contains boron, a trace mineral that enhances the growth of plants and improves fruit and flower production. It's highly beneficial for boosting the soil's nutrient profile in vegetable gardens and flower beds. And while you're at it, you can also mix borax with water and spray it on those unsightly weeds. Number 12. Keep insects at bay. Believe it or not, borax is also an effective insect repellent. Just sprinkle it around the foundation of your house to create barriers that discourage insects from entering. This method is especially useful for controlling ants and cockroaches. You can also target specific problem areas like doorways, windowsills, and any other entry points where pests tend to sneak in. It's a straightforward, eco-friendly way to protect your home from unwanted guests without resorting to harsh chemicals. Borax truly is a powerhouse cleaner, but remember to handle it with care. Keep it away from kids and pets. Use gloves if you have sensitive skin, and never ingest it. With the right precautions, this unassuming multitasker can safely clean, deodorize, and enhance your home, inside and out. So next time you pass by that box in the laundry aisle, remember that it's packed with potential. Now I'm curious, have you ever used borax in your household cleaning routine? What's your go-to use for it? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you're still here, be sure to check out our video on the unexpected uses of vinegar. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.